Would alien civilizations understand nude art? Imagine a photograph of the human body. To us, it can mean many things. Art, beauty, vulnerability, identity, emotion, culture. But now imagine something far more distant. A civilization that has never seen humans, never encountered Earth, never learned our history, our values, or our symbols. If such beings existed, would they understand nude art at all? At first, the question seems simple. They would see a body. They would recognize form, structure, and shape. They might even analyze it scientifically. But understanding art is not only about seeing what is there. It is about understanding meaning. And meaning is not universal. The human body in art carries layers of cultural history. Ideas about beauty, ideas about privacy, ideas about identity, ideas about vulnerability and strength. None of these are visible in the image itself. They exist in human interpretation. So an alien civilization might see the body as nothing more than anatomy. A biological structure, a collection of physical features. Without context, there would be no reason to see symbolism, no reason to see emotion, no reason to see meaning beyond observation. This raises a deeper philosophical question. Is nude art about the body itself? Or is it about what humans believe the body represents? For humans, the body is never just physical. It is connected to identity, memory, desire, mortality, experience. Every culture adds layers of meaning to how the body is seen. But those layers are learned, not inherent. This is why interpretation varies so widely across societies. What feels artistic in one context may feel uncomfortable in another. What feels expressive in one era may feel controversial in another. Meaning is shaped by culture, not biology. Now imagine the alien observer again. Without shared history, they would not recognize these layers. They would not know what is considered private or sacred. They would not understand why certain poses, gestures, or forms carry emotional weight. They would simply see information, not expression. This suggests something important about art itself. Art is not only what is shown, it is what is understood between those who share a system of meaning. Without that shared system, the artwork loses much of its identity. This does not make the image meaningless. It simply makes it incomplete. Even among humans, interpretation varies dramatically. Two people can look at the same photograph and see entirely different things. One may see beauty, another may see discomfort. One may see empowerment, another may see objectification. If meaning can vary so much within a single species, it becomes even more uncertain outside it. Yet this thought experiment reveals something valuable. It reminds us that much of what we consider obvious in art is actually learned. Not natural, not universal, but constructed through culture and experience. Perhaps that is what makes nude art so complex. It sits at the intersection of biology and meaning, form and interpretation, reality and perception, and because of that, it constantly changes depending on who is looking. So would alien civilizations understand nude art? They would understand the image, but not the meaning we attach to it. And perhaps that distinction is the most important one. Because in the end, art is not only about what is seen. It is about what is shared between minds that agree, even silently, on what seeing means.